Hi, hello, good morning, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, July 26, 2023. I'm Giovanni Betancourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. Alrighty, well then, we saw yesterday how the earnings session for what was the big names in tech, Google and Microsoft came out, but really there wasn't really much of a hype. It was more of a patience being needed to see the results of AI coming out. But we did saw obviously a strong fluctuation to the upside in the Nasdaq, but it has been quickly retraced today. We're having a strong pullback. Let's see if the 15,600 marker will give some support to it and find those buyers around this level and take back, take the index back again, up again. We are gonna be receiving obviously information from Meta later on today, so let's see what how that entitles in the fluctuation of the market. But so far right now, you want to go with the direction of the market. So we trend lower. So selling them indices at the beginning of the session could be a good opportunity. The same token goes with the S&P. We are entering the RSI is back into normal session, into neutral session. So we could speculate that 45.80 could be that support level for it. And not looking at round numbers, psychological round numbers. So that could be one case. But yeah, if you sell into it, into this pullback, that could be a good bet. Then we have the Dow. Now the Dow did 12 consecutive uh, higher sessions, uh, and so far the target have been 13. Now the last time that the Dow did this session was back in 2017. So if that's the case today, it doesn't look like it could be that case. But wait, anyhow, it is too early to tell. But the session is trending lower. RSI is still in the overbought territory. So a nice pullback, perhaps to 35,400 could be contemplated, and then a rally at the end of the day, just to have the Dow close is 13 consecutive session in the green. So that could be a nice rally if you happen to see that the market continues to drop, and then approaches 35,400. That could be an indicator where the market could find bottom. But obviously, you want to be very cautious. Then we have crude oil. After having a nice session yesterday, almost reaching $80, it retraced. It's still close higher yesterday, but today is making some sort of a retracement from that. We had uh, made a low of 78.63, and from here it has rebounded. RSI, like you look at it, is below the overbought territory, so a contemplation of a continuation of this rally could be on the deck. Now, as far as for Nat goes, I've been saying Nat is just in a range session. He's trading just lateral movements, as you can see right here. So that continuation most likely will happen. Then we have gold, as yesterday hitting a low of 1950. It rebounded from that psychological value, and then it's been trading higher. So I would go with the momentum. 1980 will be my target. Then that silver, 2450 is that the point for silver. 25 obviously is the resistance, but so far I'm looking at silver to hold is lows right here, and then find some buyers and take it back up to 25. Attempt to stay up above 25. Then copper, after making a nice parabolic movement yesterday, it has retraced mostly half of yesterday's gain. And a lot of traders that are aggressive traders, they will use this as an opportunity to come back in and buy around the sessions and see if it could come back up and reach the high of June 22nd. Then we have Bitcoin. I'm looking at Bitcoin just to stay flattish around above 29,000 and below 2950. Then we have the currencies, the euro. After having such so many sessions trending lower, it has found that support uh, needed for it and is trading higher. So 111 initially will be my resistance for intraday resistance. Then we have pound. The pound has done quite well after yesterday. I don't know, after basically just trading, uh, engulfing two sessions, actually engulfed the previous session. So that engulfment uh, contributes into a momentum to the upside, and that momentum could be appreciated or taken advantage of as we see the dollar index continue to drop. If the dollar index continue to fall and towards 105, 100.50, then we'll see that incremental, that push, that jump in metals in the currencies. That's it for me today. I wish you a fantastic trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.